Condenser unit vibration causing noise transmitted to your building structure is a super common headache, but you can totally fix it by installing vibration isolators. So, when your condenser unit vibrates, that noise travels right through your building's frame, making everything shake and rattle like crazy. To stop this, first, get vibration isolators that fit your unit's size and weight. These little guys act like shock absorbers and block vibrations from transferring. Make sure you install them on a solid, level surface because if the base is uneven, the isolators won't work properly. Also, check that the isolators are made from the right materials, like rubber or neoprene, which are great at dampening vibrations. Tighten all bolts and screws securely so nothing wiggles loose over time. It's smart to have a professional HVAC technician help with installation since they know the best spots for isolators and can balance the unit perfectly. After installation, keep an eye on the unit for any unusual sounds or movement. Sometimes isolators need a little adjustment. Lastly, regular maintenance on your condenser unit helps prevent excess vibration from worn-out parts. One of the biggest mistakes with condenser unit vibration noise is using the wrong type of vibration isolators. Cheap or hard materials won't absorb vibrations well, so always choose high-quality rubber or neoprene isolators. Another common issue is poor installation. If the isolators are not placed evenly or on a stable surface, vibrations will still transfer into the building structure. To fix this, double-check the surface before installing and make sure everything is level and secure. A third mistake is neglecting routine maintenance, which lets components wear out and cause more vibration. Stay on top of cleaning and inspections to keep noise down and save money in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking to get work done, making the whole process smooth and reliable for everyone involved.